Hello, my name is Nicolás Pérez-Salamero Garcia, and this unit is called Olympic Games of the subject of physical education. This is not the typical unit. This is a unit designed for doing at the computer room or doing using the new technologies, the ICT. Well, in this unit we are going to see different contents such as the Olympic sports, the different Olympic sports, and the origin of the Olympic Games. The main objective of this unit is to know different vocabulary from the Olympic Games. So will be the sports and also of the origin, cities and ages. Okay, the methodology that we are going to use is the CLT method, the communicative language teaching. It's a methodology task-based, so we are going to work with projects or tasks, different kind of tasks. We are going to work not only individually, so we are going to do some activities in grouping. This unit will last 4 lessons. In the first lesson we'll do a quick introduction about we are going to work with a picture chart in which we're going to watch some videos and answer some questions. We also have some external links, some resources to help us to answer these questions. In this lesson we are going to talk about the origins, about where and when was born the Olympic Games and how. In the second lesson we are going to move to see the sports, the Olympic sports. We are going to watch some videos. We can also look to some external links to help us, and we're to start to working with some kind of task like hot potatoes, different hot potato activities. We're going to work basically all the units, all the lessons, but on the whole unit, but mostly in the second lesson with the Moodle. In Moodle we're going to work with some different activities like a multiple choice test and a glossary. The glossary is going to be complete by all the students, not only by one. Everyone has to participate of this kind of activity. The third lesson we are going to make different groups and start making groups for doing a research to complete a project of a presentation of some aspect of the Olympic Games. As the teacher, I'm going to give every single group a different aspect, maybe a sport, maybe a place in which the Olympic Games was celebrated, different one for each group. And the fourth lesson will be a check session. Will be an assessment. Mostly we're going to watch the different presentations of the students, and we are going to maybe revise the glossary and do the final assessment, the final test. Not too long, okay, but it's a test to check the knowledge that all the students has learned unit. Okay. The assessment will consist in 3 parts. The first part will be the task, the picture chart task, the hot potatoes, the multiple choice, and it will be the 30% of the final mark. The second part will be the participation. How we're going to assess that? We're going to assess with the glossary entries and in the presentation. And it will be this participation will be the 30% of the final mark. So the third part is the final assessment test, and it will be the 40% of the final mark. Okay, we also have some different links to help the students in the whole process, in the whole project, in the whole unit, as the bibliography, as we can see in the document below. I hope you guess more or less what is going to be the unit. If you have any doubt, please write on the chat. Bye.